Luno.com is a global cryptocurrency platform that offers a fast, secure, and user-friendly way to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. With over 7 million customers in more than 40 countries, Luno.com has become a leading player in the cryptocurrency space, offering a reliable and trustworthy service that is accessible to everyone.
I saw myself using the Luno app.
If you are new to cryptocurrencies, Luno.com is the perfect platform to get started. The platform offers a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. You can deposit funds using your local currency, and Luno.com will convert it into the cryptocurrency of your choice, making it easy to get started. One of the best things about Luno.com is the security and reliability of the platform. The company uses bank-grade security protocols and encryption to protect your funds and personal information, and all customer funds are stored in cold storage wallets that are completely offline and inaccessible to hackers. This means that you can have peace of mind knowing that your funds are safe and secure. Another great feature of Luno.com is the mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies on the go, making it easy to manage your investments from anywhere. You can also set price alerts and receive notifications when the price of a cryptocurrency reaches a certain level, making it easy to stay on top of market trends. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Luno.com also offers a range of educational resources to help you learn more about cryptocurrencies and how to invest in them. The platform offers a variety of articles, videos, and guides that cover everything from the basics of cryptocurrencies to more advanced investment strategies. This makes Luno.com a great resource for both beginners and experienced cryptocurrency investors. Finally, Luno.com offers competitive fees and rates for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The platform charges a small fee for each transaction, which is clearly displayed before you make a trade. The fees are competitive with other cryptocurrency platforms, and Luno.com offers some of the best rates for buying and selling cryptocurrencies in the market. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable, secure, and user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies, Luno.com is the perfect choice. With its easy-to-use interface, bank-grade security, and mobile app, Luno.com makes it easy to invest in cryptocurrencies and manage your investments from anywhere. Plus, with its educational resources and competitive fees, Luno.com is the perfect platform for both beginners and experienced cryptocurrency investors. So why not give it a try and join the millions of customers who have already discovered the benefits of Luno.com?